And you're doing this full-time, Cakez. So do you have any recs, pointers for transitioning into game development full-time? I'm doing this. I want to do this full-time. I can't do it full-time right now. I have 2 side jobs that I do. And I spend about 4 to 6 hours on this every day. And then the rest is spent on other stuff. And I would advise you to stay in your job. Work on your game maybe in the morning before you go to your job, where you are fresh. And if you can't do that, work on it after your job, because then you have enough money to help you out with some things that you probably don't have time to spend on yourself or learn. So for example, let's say you don't really like doing music, you could spend some money to find someone to do music for you. If you quit your job, you're running low on money, now you can't spend someone to do music for you, and you have to feed yourself as well. Now that means you have to learn music yourself, and that means it takes longer, and that means your money gets tighter. So the best advice I can give, unless you know that you're gonna be done in 1 month, stay in your job, keep getting that money, and then use that money wisely to help you make your game. And one person that does this incredibly well at the moment is a guy called Code Games. He recently, he's been making his game for a long time. Let me see. It's called Rogue Blight. He's making a 2D Souls-like game. He's been quite... what is it called? Hey, do we have that? Rogue Blight by Junk Food Games. Interesting. Is it Junk Food Games? Is that the same? No, that's something else. This game right here. He was able to pay someone to do the capsule for him. The thumbnail, aka. And he can pay someone to do the art for him. He can pay someone to do the music for him. And he's making the game, I think it is in Unity at the moment. It looks amazing, yeah. And you know the cool thing is, Asmongold actually played his game. So he was able to get funded by Asmongold and these 2 other people for about $5,000. Who is Asmongold? Asmongold is a huge YouTuber. 2.6 million subscribers. Has about 30 to sometimes 100,000 viewers on Twitch. But like on average, he is like 20 to 30,000 viewers on Twitch. When he does stuff. When he's streaming. He's streaming too, yeah. Asmongold is streaming too, yeah. He's a big stream and YouTuber. So yeah, stay in your job for as long as you can. You will be able to offload some of the work to some other people. A lot easier than if you pressure yourself into releasing your game right now because you quit your job. Unless you really know what you're doing. Unless you know what you're doing. And you don't when you're starting out. That's how you get into game development.